Next is Vietnamese egg coffee. I was excited for this one as well, but also nervous because this coffee was the most complex to make. I had to have my girlfriend explain to me how to separate egg yolks from egg whites, which I actually managed to get pretty quickly. What you don't see here is the fact that I tried making the coffee one time and it failed miserably. Nothing about it was good. So this is a second effort, which hopefully will turn out better. Vietnamese egg coffee is a whipped coffee that's made by combining egg yolks and condensed milk, frothing until it's nice and frothy, and then combining it with coffee. Often a Vietnamese coffee filter is used, but I didn't have access to one, so I just used instant coffee. Vietnamese coffee in general came about largely because fresh milk wasn't as available in Vietnam during the French occupation of the country. Later on, in the mid-20th century, Vietnamese egg coffee was invented in Hanoi. The bartender made a creamy coffee drink with sugar and egg instead of milk due to the shortages. Today, Vietnamese egg coffee is beloved and found all over the country. This is a lot of work. Cheers. Chocolate's pretty strong, but the egg is pretty good too. With the egg and the condensed milk. And about the coffee too. It's actually pretty good. It tastes like Vietnamese coffee, but a bit more tart and slightly less sweet, which makes sense because we added the egg in it. The cocoa powder is pretty strong, so if you're gonna add some, I recommend adding only a little bit. But that's pretty good, honestly. I mean, I know I didn't make it perfectly, but it's pretty good. I give it like 8 out of 10, I'd say. Cheers.